Hi, today I'm going to share with you 3 simple tips that you can use right away to improve your drawing. In the previous video, I've shared an easy method for drawing anime hair from scratch. In this video, I'll give you a few extra tips to take your hair drawing to the next level. Let's get started. First, take a look at these 2 drawings. What can you tell from them? Actually, the first one isn't that bad. But when you compare the 2 side by side, you'll notice that the second one looks more professional, like something you'd see in a manga. The first one has more of a cartoon style. If that's the style you're going for, that's fine too. However, today I'm going to show you how you can take your drawing from this to this. I will point out 3 areas you can improve based on these drawings. First, notice how the pencil strokes in the first drawing here look harder and stiffer. A lot of beginners tend to apply too much force because they worry too much about how the drawing will turn out and become overly cautious when drawing the hair strokes. When you do this, your drawing will turn out like this, looking stiff. The weight and thinness of the strokes are also too even here. The first tip to address this is to use light, fast strokes like this. Relax your wrist. You do not need to press too hard on the pencil. This is the same whether you are drawing wavy hair or straight hair. Also, when you draw using light and fast strokes, you can make the strokes thicker and darker in some parts and thinner and lighter in other parts, making the hair strokes more natural. Second, I want you to observe the spacing between the hair strokes here. What some beginners commonly do is drawing the hair like this. The hair strokes are too evenly spaced out, making the hair too neat and unnatural. So the second tip here is to space the hair strokes out unevenly, like this. Basically, some strokes are closer to each other and some are further apart. This makes the hair look more natural and realistic. This applies to all types of hair, whether it's straight or wavy, etc. The last tip I'm going to share now is one of my favorites. Some beginners might draw wavy hair like this. The strokes are kinda parallel to each other. Instead, you can let the strokes cross over, like this. This can work for both curls and straight hair. For straight hair, you can add this cross pattern near the hair ends for a slight inward curl. For curls, you can let the strokes cross over multiple times. Let me show you the final example of how you can draw a section of the hair combining these 3 tips that I have shared with you. First, use fast, light strokes. Second, create uneven spacing between the hair strokes. Third, let the strokes cross over. We have come to the end of this video. Try out these 3 tips and let me know how they work for you. Thanks for watching and see you again.